Welcome to Channel Name, where today we're diving into crafting an operational manual template tailored for your industry company. This essential guide will ensure consistency, compliance, and clarity across your organization. Let's break it down into 5 key sections. First, the company overview. Begin with a brief introduction to your company, your mission, vision, and core values. This section should provide employees with a clear understanding of your company's goals and culture. Include important details like the organizational structure and key contact information. Remember, this is your chance to set the tone and establish the context for your manual. Next, we move into the heart of the manual, Standard Operating Procedures, or SOPs. Here, outline the day-to-day processes that keep your company running smoothly. Use clear, concise language and consider including flowcharts or step-by-step guidelines for complex processes. SOPs are vital for maintaining quality and efficiency, so be thorough and specific. Ensure there are placeholders to tailor these instructions to each department or task. The third section covers employee responsibilities. Define roles and expectations to prevent any ambiguity. Each role should have a distinct description, including key duties and who they report to. To ensure clarity, consider adding checklists or bullet points. Encourage employees to refer to this section regularly to stay aligned with company expectations and goals. Now let's talk about compliance and safety guidelines, a crucial aspect of any operational manual. Outline relevant regulations and industry standards your company must adhere to. Detail necessary safety procedures to protect your workforce and your business. Keep this section updated with legal requirements and emergency contact information. Finally, performance metrics. These are the benchmarks to measure employee and company success. Describe how performance is assessed and reported. Explain key performance indicators or KPIs relevant to your industry. This transparency fosters accountability and encourages continuous improvement. Format your manual professionally with clear headers and subheaders, ensuring each section is easy to navigate. Use placeholders where customization is needed, allowing for flexibility and updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Channel Name for more insightful guides. Happy organizing!